Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, skid plates, engine block heater, front wheel independent suspension. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.